Yes, I love. Okay, listen. It's 12:19 a.m. I will go to Chile. I'm so happy to meet you all guys. No, I want to come in Israel, but maybe in 2026 here. Oh, not today because I need to save some money and then I will go. Can I handshake please? Hello, where are you from, bro?
Israel, and you?
Oh, welcome. I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. I
Absolutely.
see that you're raising our flag.
Yeah,
I
I
appreciate it a lot.
thank you so
A
much, guys.
lot.
In your country, what is the most favorite sport?
I hate sports. So I don't know how to say it, but I think it's soccer.
Oh, soccer. Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Israeli people love soccer.
Exactly. But in Bangladesh, I invented a game. I want to really make it widespread
Oh,
through the
you
international.
invited again?
A game, yeah.
Cool.
Do
What
you-
is it about?
The game is like Israel out of Palestine.
Oh, that's a very necessary game. Nah, that's not funny. That's a very low sense of humor. You can do it better. You can do
Israel
it better.
out of Palestine, free Palestine.
You know much about history of Palestine?
Yeah, whatever I have in my store, it's a big enough. But all I see, you guys are innocent people in Palestine.
Yeah, we innocent people.
Yes.
The innocent people. The innocent people that not brutally 2 years ago was in our cities.
In
Okay,
in 7 October?
they should not invaded
In 7
Israel, and then nothing
in
of it
7
will
October?
happen over. Yeah,
Bro, just live in your history. But you never ever
that's
really try to think the
hard.
reality. You guys are also the journalists so that
Yeah,
authentic
journalists
news
that invaded
doesn't go on the
Israel on the
internet.
7th of October and took videos live of this and laughed as yeah, we will them.
You want to black out the Palestine and in the darkness you want to you want to.
They gave whole Gaza Strip on 2005 to the Palestinians. What they did with that?
Who are you to give that? Who are you?
Who are we to what? To do what?
Who are you to give the land of Palestine to the Palestine? You guys are living in Palestinian land and that just
No,
belongs
they
to the
were never
Palestine. You guys are trying to make a greater
colonization
Israel.
by the
That's not gonna be
Turkish. They were
possible
never
ever,
state of
ever, ever,
Palestine.
ever. Okay?
Hello.
Are you in the IDF?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Oh,
Motek.
I support you guys.
Yeah, you are my friend.
Thank you.
Give me. C'est quoi?
Free
What is
Palestine.
this?
Free
C'est quoi?
Palestine. Free Palestine.
What is this? What is this Palestine?
You hang up on me because I'm from Israel.
Yes.
Oh, a lot of people hate us.
Yeah, you know that a lot of people hate yours?
Yeah.
Oh, so what do you think about these people?
It's their choice. I can't change it. But if they don't want to listen and learn other people's perspectives, so I don't have a lot of time to teach them anything.
Oh, exactly. Have you ever been to the Gaza?
Yeah.
How long have you been there?
2 weeks.
Did you speak with anybody of Palestine or not?
Yeah.
How are they all?
A lot of them are for Israel and against, but there are some supportive for Hamas and kids that hate us because we supposedly their parents or home. But a lot of them are grateful because we're giving them a lot of support.
You know, the IDF is an organization of Israel. Everything they are really trying to say. The Hamas is also an organization protecting their land, protecting their people and nation. So what's wrong supporting the as a Palestinian?
No. Hamas is a organization. There's a difference. Hamas is aiming its missiles to civilians. We're we're doing it. Sorry, to only only the ones that are trying to hurt us, and not the civilians themselves.
How many are there in Palestine?
In Gaza,
Mhm.
I think like 20%.
If you compare the 20% to the Gaza's situation, like there is no building, almost all of them been demolished by the so almost 100%.
Because when we are taking, they are using the civilians as human shields.
Okay, but what about the hospital and school?
We are also hidden in the hospitals.
Oh, that's why you really
No,
dropped the.
they were hiding grenades and weapons in schools.
Okay, what if will you drop the in Jewish school if you find any holes are inside of it?
If they're Jewish people,
Yeah,
inside, I don't
yeah,
understand.
yeah. Inside
I
the.
don't understand the question.
I said, like, for example, in a school, 300 Jewish students, but one of them is soldier. So will you? What the hell of it, guys? Now, he dropped the line.